The top 5% of SDRs all have one thing in common. They don't win cold calls. They use tested, proven techniques that make meetings feel easy. You want to know what they're doing that you're not? This video gives it to you. Guys, my name is Neil. I'm your sales misfit coach. I have over 10 years in SaaS plus 5 years as a sales trainer, and I help SDRs smash quota and get promoted to AE as fast as possible. Now, a lot of you are asking if I have a course. I do not, but I have reopened slots for one-to-one coaching and only have a few slots available. It is first come, first serve, so if you're interested in working with me now, click on the calendar link below and book a free 10-minute consultation with me to see if I can actually help you. The link is below, guys. Back to the video. Let's talk about reality. Cold calling can be brutal. You're working off scripts your company gave you that haven't been updated in years. Every call feels awkward, robotic, forced. Prospects sense this immediately. I remember when I first started, I followed a script word for word and got hung up on over and over again. My confidence fell away, my pipeline dried up, and I saw my colleagues passing me by, getting promotions while I stayed stuck. If you don't fix this now, you're risking more than just quota. You're actually risking your career. You risk being stuck in an SDR role for the foreseeable, or even worse, getting fired and having to start over. So, how do you instantly build trust and authority on every call? Number one, you use permission-based openers. Start your calls with transparency and respect. For example, hey John, it's Neil from SaaS Sales Misfit, and full disclosure, this is a cold call. Do you want to hang up, or can I earn 30 seconds of your time to tell you why I called? This approach is designed to disarm them, taking them off guard in a positive way. Number two, lead with the prospect's problem, not your product. Right after permission, jump straight into a high impact problem for them. For example, most SDRs I speak with are losing hours a day chasing bad fit leads. Curious, how are you currently filtering your leads? And number three, use personalized, relevant questions. This shows genuine care for your prospect rather than yourself. For example, I saw you recently posted about scaling your sales team. How is your current training program holding up with all the new hype? The turning point for me was where a prospect, notorious for not taking cold calls, actually thanked me for my opener. You know, Neil, I never take these calls, but you made me curious. Go ahead. Now that call turned into a really nice deal for me. It helped me exceed my stretch target for the quarter, and I never looked back. So, 3 steps you must start doing today. Switch to permission-based openers. Immediately sets you apart. Builds trust instantly. Lead with the problem, not features, not benefits. Show them you understand their pain. Practice real conversational tonality. Scripts matter less than how you sound. Remember, authenticity beats rehearsed lines every time. As your mentor, trust me, these steps transform calls from dreaded tasks into genuine conversations. You're not just another SDR. You're someone who can solve real problems, and your prospects will feel it. But here's the real kicker. None of these techniques will ever matter if you freeze up the second you hear, we don't have money for this. Luckily, I've got you covered. Click right here to watch my next video, how to reply to the don't have money objection in cold calling. If you master that objection, you'll be unstoppable.